Hello guys and welcome. We have a new week and new options and possibilities. And for this video, I will do something which I usually never do. I strengthen up my monopole positions, which is Meta, Amazon and Microsoft. And if we order my stocks after my losses, you will see under my top 3 is Nike. If we look at the 5-year perspective, it opened up a pretty huge chance from their all-time high to buy a couple of more stocks. But I think, and we are all here to do mistakes and learn from it, and I can't promise if this is the right decision or not, but I think my money would be in a different position, in better hands. I love monopoles, I love companies which are not easy to replace, and I thought a lot about it. And my whole investment journey feels like I committed to the public and show you my journey, and I'm the only one who is right now very interested in it. I don't know how to make it even more interesting for people. I could make it in funny ways or in more personal ways, but at the end, you guys are my viewers, and if even nobody's watching, I do it for myself. The most important part is it should be fun, and I thought a really long time about it, to sell a couple of my stocks and reposition it. I have in total almost around 30 stocks. Some of them I will most probably never sell, especially the lithium stocks that I bought a long time ago, and just wait until the chances open up. So my market value in Nike is around 447, and I don't say the stock is bad, but for me right now, I think I could gain more profit in another position. It looks already pretty different if I have a red view with selling instead of buying, but sometimes it is what it is. So I will sell my 6.5 shares of Nike. The market is open right now, so that means my order is already filled. And let us check if I have the money already on my account. Let us refresh the page and check again. But as you can see, it's already on 0. So as you can see, I have around 460 USD on my account from selling Nike. There are 2 more stocks which I want to sell, and I struggled a lot if I should do it or not. But at the end, nobody of us can predict the future. Nobody of us know what is going on with the market, with the stocks, if it is a good choice or not. And I have always Warren Buffett's words in my head that just 10 stocks of his whole career made most of his profit, and he owned over his time around 400 stocks. And this is a stock which I already sold one time, but if I'm in with such small amounts, it won't create wealth. So I will as well sell a little bit over 1 share of Nvidia. With Nike, I realized my losses, and with Nvidia, I will realize my profits. Let us refresh the page and check if the money is already on my account. Yes, it is there, and I already have the 0 on my Nvidia stocks. So I sold Nvidia and I sold Nike. You see, both of them have a 0 in front. And last but not least, there is one more share which I thought a lot about, and that's Shark Ninja. I really don't know if I should sell it or not. I bought Shark Ninja in the dip with an average price of around 108, and right now it is at 130, and they create really great things, but they're not a software company, they're not a monopole, and it's maybe a matter of time until they're not able to make a lot of profit. If you look over the past decades, a lot of companies changed, and if you look further back, like in decades, always the top 10 of the most valuable companies are always changing. And I could see the same thing with Shark Ninja. They earn their money with just selling 1 product per time. If people like their products, they will buy another product as well, but you are not gaining monthly money with that. So let me first buy, with all the money that I have right now, Meta. It is around 695 USD, and it makes me a proudly owner of almost 2.5 shares of Meta. If I refresh the page, my money should be gone and invested into Meta. Sometimes it's that easy. If I think about the past, how hard it was to buy stocks, and right now we are blessed. We can do it at home with our phone, and very easy. The only thing we should now figure out is if it was worth it or not. With Shark Ninja, you can see how I struggled if I want to sell it or not. But I couldn't resist anymore. I have a total right now of my portfolio of almost 23k. I have to sell it and buy as well Meta. And I can't tell you why. Sometimes we should listen as well to our feelings and not just the numbers alone. I will sell the stock as well with profit. And since the market is open, my order goes through immediately, which is great, so I don't have to wait. But the only thing that I have to do is refresh my page to see the amount on my broker. So I have my gains out of Shark Ninja and Nvidia and my losses out from Nike. So I buy with the 130 USD that I have from Shark Ninja a little bit more of Meta. And now we have to wait if this slavery salary is coming again to invest our money into stocks to hopefully get out one day out of the 9 to 5. I refreshed my page and we have the 230 USD left, which results in buying even more of Meta. If I would had more money, I would buy even more, but it's not possible and I'm not always able to do that. But let's see if it was the right decision. Guys, the important thing is I show you what I'm doing, not speaking just about it. I show you exactly what is going on in my portfolio. Let us see if this was the right decision and if we are able to outperform the market with single stocks while it is dipping and buying monopoles and hope for the best. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.